So the derivative of a function is given by this derivative f prime of x. We have an initial condition of f of 1 is equal to 7. In part A, they say that the function has a critical point at x equals 3, which means the derivative at 3 is going to equal 0. We want to find out if we have a minimum, a maximum, or neither. So if we just make an f prime number line, using the value of 3 as our critical number, just need to test the number before 3 and after 3. Before 3 we get a negative, and then after 3 we get a positive. So because of that, f will have a relative minimum at x equals 3, and that's because f prime changes from negative to positive at x equals 3. In part B, we need to figure out when is f both decreasing and concave up. So f would be decreasing when f prime is going to be negative, and f would be concave up when f double prime is going to be positive. And we already figured out in part A that f prime was negative on the interval from 0 to 3. So then for f double prime, do a product rule, so we have e to the x times 1 plus x minus 3 times e to the x. Setting this equal to 0 to get the possible inflection points, factor out e to the x, set each factor equal to 0 to get x is equal to 2. So on our f double prime number line, putting the value of 2, testing before and after, get negative before 2 and positive after 2. So then f double prime is greater than 0 on the interval from 2 to infinity. So f is both decreasing and concave up on the interval from 2 to 3, because f prime is less than 0 and f double prime is greater than 0 on that interval from 2 to 3. So in part C, we need to figure out what is going to be the value of f of 3. And so f of 3 is going to be the initial condition f of 1 plus the antiderivative from 1 to 3 of f prime of x dx. So f of 1, the initial condition was 7, anti-deriving the f prime. You can use by parts, but we'll set it up tabular, where u is equal to x minus 3 and dv is equal to e to the x. So we have 7 plus x minus 3 times e to the x minus e to the x from 1 to 3, and simplify to get 7 minus e to the third plus 3e.